Hi everybody. As I promised, this is a video to show you how to do the 3-2-1 discussion board. So in week 1 materials, you are to do the 3-2-1 discussion board. So let's go there and see what it says. Okay, finally loaded. Okay, so for the 3-2-1, it explains the two parts to this assignment. One is to share a little bit about yourself using a song that describes your life. You need to post the link to your song and then explain how the song relates to you, either your experience, your academic career, your goals, something about you. The second part is the 3-2-1, and you will give 3 pieces of information that you learned in this week's activities, 2 interesting or surprising things that you learned, and 1 question that you still have about the course or any of those getting started materials. So you'll you'll start a new thread, and in the thread you'll enter um, a title. You don't have to put your name on it because your name will be associated with the post. And then here in the discussion, in the text box, you will list the link to your song and describe how it relates to you. So to do that, you're going to go to YouTube and search for your song. In my case, I like James Taylor's You've Got a Friend. So I'm going to search for that. Okay. And I want to find one that I like, which is this one. So I'm going to choose that. I, of course, can listen to the song and make sure it's what I want. Often the YouTube videos will come with an ad at the beginning. Don't know if this one will or not. I'm going to stop this if I can. Listen to it, make sure it's the version you want, and then you're going to click. I'm not sure why because it's the ads. And then I'm going to click the link and copy that. I'll go back into my discussion board and simply paste that link. And it should look like a link. If you're not sure if it's a link, you can always highlight or copy it, or I'm sorry, highlight it. I'll go to the quick link, and then you'll make sure that it has the URL in there. But if you copy from, you see that the URL is right there, and there's the title. You could change the title or leave it as it is. But we know that that is indeed a link. Then you would want to type, I chose this song because, and then explain how it reflects you in some way. Also, in this text box, you'll need to explain 3 things that I learned, 2 surprising things that I learned. Of course, you don't have to use that wording, just to show you the 3, 2, and the 1 question. I still have So all of that information will be typed here in the box, and then you'll simply post it. So when you're all done, you should see your post with your link, and you can always click on the link to make sure that it actually takes you to the song that you want. So that's all you have to do for the 3-2-1 discussion board, and hopefully that will help you as you're completing this assignment.